Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, first we use black color. Now we draw capital letter alphabets. A. Kids, now we draw the letter of B. The next one is C. And now we draw D. The next one is E. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. The last one is 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of square. We again use black color and now we draw the shape of circle. Kids, now we draw the shape of triangle. Now we draw heart. And the last one is star. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. Blue color, green color, red color, black color, and the last one is yellow color. First we use blue color. Now we draw the shape of square. Kids, we again use blue color. Now we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we use green color. The color of green. Now we draw the shape of circle. Kids, the next one is triangle and we again use green color. The shape of triangle. Now we draw the shape of heart. Kids, now we use red color. The shape of heart. The next one is star. Now we use the color of black. Now we use black color. The shape of star. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.